What's up, everybody? Okay, sounds good, Edwin. Thank you. I'll make sure everything's in the same package. Easy day. Gonna give everybody a minute to join, and then we will break the boxes. I got 10 boxes right in front of you guys. Fix my camera real quick. There we go. That's better. No problem, Edwin. Thank you. All right, y'all, let's get it. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's get it, y'all. How many packs? 8 packs. 4 cards per pack. $3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm not going to count the rest of the boxes. Just the first one. All right, everybody, let's get it. Let's see what's inside these blasters. Here we go. We got Luke Kuechly, Peyton Manning. Oh, first pack. Let's get it. Tua. Oh, and a green. I don't think you guys can see it. It's a green flea flicker. For the Bills. This is nice. Oh, we got a Mosaic in here. Let's get it. We got Tyler Boyd. There's that Jamal Adams. Cooper Kupp. Marshawn Lattimore. And a kid reporter. Terrell Matthew, Honey Badger, Emmett Smith, Jalen Rigor, and touchdown master Adrian Peterson. Mark Andrews, Rod Woodson, Dalvin Cook. Who we got? Oh, nice. Michael Pittman Jr. green, and a kid reporter. Got Aaron Rodgers, CMC, Troy Polamalu, Josh Jacobs got game. Anybody watching the game? Who's winning? Darius Leonard, Cam Chancellor, Jared Cook, Khalil Mack Green, and a kid reporter. Here we go. We got Primetime, Megatron. Oh, there we go. Tua. Ooh, and a silver Larry Fitz. That was a nice pack. Thurman Thomas. Yannick Kagogi. Randall Cunningham. Oh, nice. Color match. Le'Veon Bell. And a kid reporter. First blaster was not bad. Let me put this two in a top loader really quick. All right. There we go. Nice blaster for the Dolphins. Empty box. And then that opened easily. Hopefully we can pull a Genesis tonight. We got Megatron, Donovan McNabb, Dan Marino, Harrison Smith for the Vikings, and the kid reporter. Thurman Thomas, Will Fuller. Here we go, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, debut, and Emmitt Smith. Go Joe Mixon, Nick Bosa, Sony Michel, a green Philip Lindsay, and a kid reporter. Oh, we got a Mosaic in here. Tyreek Hill, Troy Aikman, nice Laviska Shenault. Ooh, a Mosaic Ezekiel Elliott got game. That's nice. All right, here we go. We got Emmitt Smith, Daniel Hunter, Derrick Henry, Alvin Kamara green, and the kid reporter. Mark Andrews, everybody's upside down. Aaron Rodgers, TJ Watt. Oh, nice. There we go. Nice hit for the Broncos. A green touchdown Masters. Peyton Manning. We got Christian McCaffrey, Eli, Howie Long, a Mosaic Le'Veon Bell, kid reporter. Darius Leonard, Deion Sanders. There we go, Jalen Hurts. And a flea flicker, Calvin Johnson, Barry Sanders, and Matthew Stafford. Empty box. Hey, what's up, Alfred? Just paid for the sorry, a bit late. Kiddos, parent life got me distracted. No worry, Marco. Luckily, I saw it was you, so normally I would sell the teams, but I know you're good for it, so I just didn't sell. Here we go. We got Tom Brady, the GOAT. Curtis Martin, Lynn Bowden Jr., and Emmitt Smith. Here we go, Jared Goff, Julius Peppers, Dwight Freeney. Green, Dalvin Cook. Kid reporter. Damn, he's got a lot of kid reports in him. No worries, Marco. Jimmy G. Kyle Rudolph. Oh, there we go. A Lamb Jack. A green Emmitt Smith old school. Let's go. 10 blasters. We gotta have at least a rook, a auto or Genesis. Baker Mayfield. Oh, Barry Sanders. Green Cam Chancellor. And a kid reporter. Let's do it. I hope so. I don't care who it is. We pull at least one. Warren Sapp. Cameron Jordan. Oh, there we go. Joshua Kelly. And another flea flicker for the Lions. Now, Joshua Kelly had a missed opportunity on Monday night. Didn't play well. Hopefully he gets another chance. I got him on my fantasy squad. We got Marcus Mariota. Chris Jones. Roger Staubach. Green Derek Brown for the Panthers. And the kid reporter. Zach Ertz. Marshall Falk. Dan Marino. Emmitt Smith. We've been pulling a lot of Emmitt Smiths tonight. Jerry Rice. Marquise Brown. Jordy Nelson. Cole Beasley. Kid reporter. All right, that blaster sort of whack, but got a lot more. Empty box. Gardner Minshew. Mustache. Myles Garrett. Kevin Green. Ooh, that's nice right there. We got a green flea flicker for the Ravens. That's nice. Jordan Hicks. Derwin James. Jerome Bettis. Okay, green on green. Denzel Mims. And the kid reporter. Philip Lindsay. Devin Singletary. Jacob Eason. And Christian McCaffrey. Boomer Esiason, Adam Thielen, Bobby Wagner. Damn, another Cole Beasley. Kid reporter. It's Cole Beasley is trolling us tonight. Larry Fitz, John Elway. Oh, there we go. NFL debut, Jacob Eason, and got game, Kyler Murray. That's nice. Mosaic, Earl Thomas, Alvin Kamara, Josh Allen. Oh, that's not bad at all. A Mosaic, Deshaun Watson Pro Bowl. Aaron Jones, Brian Burns, Zach Moss, and Jerry Rice will to win. We got Jeff Saturday, Carson Wentz, DK Metcalf, Daniel Hunter, kid reporter. Oh, let's go. We got to heat up. Let's go. That first blaster was good to us. Still looking for Joe Burrow, Tua, a Genesis, a script auto, something. I haven't even seen Pat Mahomes yet. Empty box. Joe Namath. Or Chase Young. All right. Sam Darnold. Ugh. Mike Williams. DeAndre Swift. And fell there. Ooh, now our first silver. Kyle Fuller, silver. Terry Bradshaw. Allen Robinson. Tony G. Green. Troy Aikman. Kid Reporter. Kirk Cousins, Marshawn Lynch, Michael Perrine, and a touchdown Masters Christian McCaffrey. What's up, Jonathan? Raphael, what's going on? Here we go. We got Michael Thomas, Zeke, Kevin King, Green, Stephon Diggs, and the Kid Reporter. Chris Conley, Melvin Gordon, John Elway, and another Kyler Murray got game. Okay, let's get some color next time. James Conner, David Montgomery, Mark Brunell, Green Darius Slayton, and a Kid Reporter. Jason Taylor, Tyler Lockett, Brian Edwards. Ooh, nice. A green old school Ed Reed. Let's go. Stephen Gilmore, Jarvis Landry, Matty Ice, Mosaic Max Crosby, and the Kid Reporter. Whoa. Empty box. Yeah, Jonathan, let's fill that shit. I'm super excited for it. I've seen a few people opening some boxes on YouTube. That stuff is fire. I got Marshall Falk. Posted right before we started the break. I posted a Spectra break with some Mosaic blasters. Oh, there we go. Jordan Love. Nice. Ooh, and a silver Tyler Lockett. Yeah, so if you guys want to join that Spectra break, just check out the post and whatever team's available, comment that team. Tom Brady, Jason Witten, Mark Ingram. Oh, a green Russell Wilson. There we go. And a Kid Reporter. Yeah, man, this weekend we pulled a lot of fire. We pulled 2 Genesis. One was a CD Lamb, Jared Goff, Justin Jefferson. Oh, another Christian McCaffrey, this time with color. Let's go. Taysom Hill, Dak Prescott, Calvin Ridley, a green Chris Conley, Kid Reporter. We got Jimmy G, Hawkinson, DJ Shark. Oh, there we go. Green Josh Allen. Bills are playing right now, right? How they doing? Has the game even started? Anybody know? You guys too busy watching me? There we go. Josh Jacobs. Miles Sanders, Barry Sanders, and Russell Wilson. Wow. What? 21-10 Titans. Jalen Ramsey, Kerryon Johnson, Trayvon Edmonds. Oh, there you go, Bills. A Mosaic Jake Fromm. There we go. Something to get excited about. Who knows if we'll ever see the field, though. Kyle Rudolph, Mike Allstott. There we go. Broncos, Jerry Jeudy, and DK Metcalf. Let's go. Where you at, Justin Herbert? Empty box. Joe Burrow. Pat Mahomes. Allen Robinson. Tony G. Denzel Mims. What we got back here? A Mosaic. Oh, damn, nice. Russell Wilson coming out. Let's go. Is he doing that bad? Jarvis Landry, Matt Ryan. Oh, there we go. Chase Claypool. There we go. Probably the hottest rookie right now from Sunday's performance. Zeke, Eli Manning, Howie Long. What we got? Oh, let's go! A green Henry Ruggs base. Let's get it. There we go. We heating up. There we go. That was very funny to me, Alfred, that they're playing better with the virus. Cortland Sutton, Nick Bosa, Sony Michel. Dude, let's go! A Mosaic Jerry Jeudy. Let's go. Damn, 2 fire-ass receivers with color. Let's go. No problem, Robert Shelf. We can pull one with color. John Brown, Deshaun Watson, Lamb Jack, and Gronk. Oh, no shit. Damn. Charles Tillman, Ryan Tannehill, Darius Slayton, John Riggins, green, and a kid reporter. Any hardcore Redskins or Washington football team fans excited about that? John Riggins, Kevin King, David Montgomery. There we go. Henry Ruggs NFL debut, and Ryan Tannehill. Mark Brunell, Donovan McNabb, Dan Marino. Oh, all right. Gardner Minshew, and the kid reporter. All right, 3 blaster boxes left. Let's go. Pull some fire receivers on that blaster. Let's pull some fire quarterbacks. Well, running backs. Empty box. Yes, we need a Burrow. Russell Wilson, Julian Edelman, Peyton Manning MVP, Barry Sanders will to win. Kevin Bird, Jordy Nelson, Julius Peppers, green Troy Aikman, and a kid reporter. Let me post up this Henry Ruggs. Oh, fix my light. And this Jerry Judy. All right. What we got? Derrick Henry, Eli Manning. Oh, there we go. Another Tua. And a flea flicker for the Seahawks. Man, Dolphins are killing it. Howie Long, Barry Sanders, Luke Kuechly, Green A.J. Brown, Kid Reporter. Who's that? Tiki Barber, Joey Bosa, T. Higgins. Ooh, and a silver Emmitt Smith. That looks nice. Daniel Hunter, Dwight Freeney, Baker Mayfield, Julius Peppers, Kid Reporter. Donovan McNabb, Dan Marino, Jalen Rigor, Ed Reed. Bosa, Peyton Manning, Tyler Boyd. Oh, a green Antonio Gibson, base rookie card, and a Kid Reporter. All right, 2 blasters left. Let's hope that Genesis is hiding one of these. Empty box. Damn. Ed Reed, Kevin Bird, Tiki Barber, Daniel Hunter, Kid Reporter. Herman Moore, DJ Moore, Tom Brady MVP, Jerome Bettis. Amari Cooper, Joey Bosa, Daniel Hunter, oh, a green Derrick Henry, and Kid Reporter. Michael Vick, Kenny Galladay. How many Genesis have you pulled? 2 so far, Jonathan. Kenny Galladay, not in this break. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, and a silver Baker Mayfield. 1 on Saturday and 1 on Sunday. Pulled a Adrian Peterson on Saturday, and on Sunday pulled a CeeDee Lamb. The CeeDee Lamb was really nice. Both of them were out of cello boxes. Tre'Davious White, Derrick Henry. Oh, there we go. We got a script. Keelan Doss for the Raiders, and back-to-back Raider hits. Let's go. I don't know who this is. Don't really follow the Raiders. But cool. All right. And it's a Kid Reporter in the back. Let me sleeve these up really quick. All right. Carlos Hyde, Roquan Smith. Oh, there he is. Finally, Joe Burrow. Shit. Let's go. And, ooh, Randy Moss. Touchdown Masters. A nice one. Let's get a base Joe Burrow. Some color. Let's go. Travis Kelce. Eli Manning. Howie Long. Devin Singletary. And Kid Reporter. Jason Witten. Mark Ingram. Oh, there we go. CeeDee Lamb. Josh Allen. Nice. All right, y'all. Last blaster. Let's hope Justin Herbert and Joe Burrow are in here. And anyone else that is looking for a specific player. Empty box. Brian Burns. Jeff Saturday. Oh, there we go. Another Jerry Jeudy. And a 49er touchdown master. Jerry Rice. Odell Beckham Jr., DK Metcalf, Devin McCourty, Howie Long, Kid Reporter. Chandler Jones, Von Miller, Barry Sanders. Nice. Got game. Tom Brady. Marlon Mack, Scary Terry, Sam Darnold, green on green, Donovan McNabb, and the Kid Reporter. Taylor Eifert, Kyler Murray. Oh, there we go, Joe Burrow base. About time. Oh, and a silver Josh Allen. Let's go. Drew Lock. Mike Williams. Terry Bradshaw. We got a green. Looks like the Hall of Fame. And another Kid Reporter. Damn, some of these packs just... Oh, shit. All right. Is this Matt Judon? Brett Favre? Harrison Smith? And finally, Pat Mahomes. There you are. Last pack. Good luck, everybody. No Genesis. All right. Terry Bridgewater, Kirk Cousins, Marshawn Lynch, Dwight Freeney, and the Kid Reporter. Damn. No Joe Burrow. All right. We gather up these cards real quick. Do a quick recap. Like I was saying earlier, if you guys want to break, again, there's a first off the line Spectra box posted on the page. I'm sure there's still some teams available with Mosaic blasters. If we fill tonight, I'll throw in another box of Mosaic. Here we go. We got green Henry Ruggs, Will to Win, Pat Mahomes, got game, Tom Brady, base Jerry Jeudy, base CeeDee Lamb, NFL debut, Joe Burrow, a green, Ruggs, auto, Keelan Doss, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, base. Antonio Gibson, green, base. Tua, NFL debut. Josh Allen, silver. Joe Burrow, base. Jake Fromm, Mosaic. Will to win, green. Chase Claypool, base. Jerry Jeudy, base. Russell Wilson, green. Touchdown master, Christian McCaffrey. Josh Allen, green. Jordan Love. Kyler Murray got game. A green, Denzel Mims. Mosaic, Deshaun Watson. Another Kyler Murray got game. Jacob Fromm. A green, Lamb Jack. Mark Ingram. Marquise Brown, flea flicker. A green, Derek Brown, rookie for the Panthers. Green, Michael Pittman. Jalen Hurts, base. Peyton, touchdown masters, green. Ezekiel Elliott, Mosaic, got game. A silver, Larry Fitz, touchdown master. Adrian Peterson. Jerry Jeudy, Mosaic. Tua, and Tua. Thanks for joining, y'all. Package everything up today, hopefully. If you guys have any questions, please send me a message on eBay or here on Facebook. If you're new to the group, we post breaks very often to the page. You don't have to deal with eBay fees and all that other bullshit. So yeah, if you have any questions, hit me up. Thank you. Have a good night.